Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the simple process of sending direct messages on Telegram. Whether you're reaching out to friends, family, or colleagues, Telegram makes messaging easy and efficient. So, let's dive in. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to access your contacts and chats. Next, you'll want to find the person you wish to message. You can either scroll through your contact list or take advantage of the handy search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in the name of the contact, and Telegram will help you locate them quickly. Once you've found the right person, go ahead and tap on their name. This action will open up the chat window where you can see your previous conversations, if there are any, and start a new message. Now it's time to craft your message. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll find a text box. Click on it and type in what you want to say. Whether it's a quick hello or a lengthy update, make sure your message is clear and concise. Finally, to send your message, look for the send button, which resembles a paper plane icon. Give it a tap, and your message is on its way. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a direct message on Telegram. Remember, communication is just a few taps away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy messaging!